Pedro Machado. This is the U.S. Open, and we're on Affliction Vision.
The Madhouse, it's crazy. Like we've been sitting in the bleachers down there, it's been empty, and then today is like we couldn't even get a seat. I was like, well, what's up, boys? Fuck, move over. But no, it's insane. It's like you can hear them when you're doing the jet ski round and they're like cheering and stuff. It's just insane. So it's like a baseball game or football game or something.
Obviously, it wouldn't be Huntington Beach without a boatload of people. So yeah, the fans and the crowd is what makes this such a special event. But we got waves this year too, so it's pretty fun.
Consumes us all, trying to keep a level head.